is Saturday, January 24th, and I am up. 6:51. I've Chinese two women this morning, and I am going to have some coffee and maybe a banana or something. I don't want to eat anything too heavy, but we are expecting weather to come through. And so today we're going to do all of the things. Everybody's cleaning their bedrooms, vacuuming, sweeping, all the things, because I don't want to lose power and not have vacuumed at least once because of the dogs, dogs and dog hair. So I try to keep everything vacuumed. We're going to scrape off the couches because our dogs get on the furniture, spray everything down, make sure all the laundry's done, make sure all the dishes are done. And I think we're going to transition over to paper items just so we don't have dishes in the dishwasher waiting to be washed or whatever, just in case. I think we're not going to get the worst of it anymore, but you never know. Stuff could change. So I usually start studying about 7, so it's 6:53 now. I'm going to get my coffee, probably a banana, and then I'm going to go pull my books and stuff so I can get ready for this morning's meeting. Just wanted to open the vlog and say good morning, y'all. Alrighty, you guys, so I have gotten my shower, I've gotten dressed, and I've set up my computer, getting ready for the meeting, and I've done my study material. Sister and I are talking about moving this desk because right now my background is the bed, and I always have to make it, right? If I don't make it in the morning before, because I'm going live every night. But I think I'm going to move it back over by the window. Just give me some natural lighting, and then I can put my maps back up on the wall and then just kind of keep that as a separate space, right? So that's what I'm thinking. We'll see, though. I told her I'd like to get that done right after I'm done with this meeting, because then it's all moved and everything is taken care of, and I don't have to, I can just do nothing if I want to for the rest of the day until it's time for me to do my 40 days of love, which we're on day 19. Today is day 19. We're prepping for day 20 for tomorrow, so that'd be good. So I'm getting ready. The meeting will start in about 25 minutes. I usually open up the room at 8:45 in case anybody wants to come in early. So there that is. And we'll be back with some more stuff in a minute. Careful, sister. Close. I'm getting a broom. I love you, I'm sorry. 'Cause you were the best and you were was the worst. I loved you first. Wrong again. Wrong again. Wayne. Hi. Wayne. It's a ball. Wayne. Yes, mother. Sister, can you bring the vacuum cleaner? Alrighty, you guys, so it's about a week later, and we did not get snowmageddon. We didn't get nothing. We didn't get rain. We didn't get ice. We didn't get nothing where we live at the coast. So, we ate all of our snacks. I mean, we didn't really have a lot of snacks, but we ate what we had. And now they're calling for snow again this weekend. We'll see what happens. I am unsure, but we're going to be prepared. Again, the same stuff that we had before. Left the power bank out. The candles and stuff are still out. Flashlights, all that. That's all out. And we have food, plenty of food, so we're not worried about that. We're just going to see what happens. It is supposed, it's about 75% chance that we're going to get something with Saturday and Sunday. So we'll see what the weather holds, what it brings. We don't know. We know that a lot of places west of us did get ice and snow and all the things. So, you know, prayerfully those families are okay. Yeah, we're just going to hang out here and see what happens. But anywho, you guys, wanted to update y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe, do all of those things, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.